This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, as you can see, my phone is actually under parental control, so I have them enabled, active and working. So from here, you will need to open the Settings app, then enter the Google category, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Onwards, open the Data and Privacy section. In here at the very bottom of the page, which you will need to scroll, go for the Delete Your Google Account. Then in order to continue, we will need to enter the password, so let me do exactly that. So input the password, click Next, then you will be forwarded to the Delete Your Google Account page, at which you will need to check these two boxes, then tap at the Delete Account option to your bottom right. And well, at this point, we have successfully deactivated parental controls. Let me quickly prove that to you. So, here it is. As you can see, there is no account linked to the system or added to the system either. And if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So from here, the only thing that is left to do is to recover the Google account we have just erased, which you can very effortlessly and hassle-free do by signing into the Play Store app with it. So I will start by inputting my email address. Then you should get the following message, which will practically prove that you did everything right, at least up until now. So follow this message by typing in your password. Then more often than not, you will get the something went wrong message, which is completely fine. So after you've encountered or faced it, simply re-enter your credentials, email and password. And as you can see, after I've entered the password the second time around, it let me through and, well, it let me continue my sign in. So just proceed with the Google login as you would normally do. And well, here is the restored account. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.